Here in this video, we're going to look at doing a physical inventory count. You'll click Menu, Products, Do Physical Count. Your menu options might look slightly different than mine, but under Products you will have a Do Physical Count for the manager or assistant manager. When you click it here, you can see that it brings up all the items that you have in your store. You could do a count by product line, and here you could just pick a specific product line to count if you had reason to believe that you had a problem or something was sold wrong and it was offsetting, so you didn't want to wait until next quarter to do a physical count. You wanted to go ahead and make those corrections right away. You could just count one line rather than having to count the entire store to correct a problem within one line. But each quarter you're going to want to click All, and you're going to want to count everything that's in the store. So we want to do that the first week of each quarter. So that'll be the first week of January, the first week of April, first week of July, and the first week of October. So you'll click Print here, and that will print this list for you. Then you'll go count the products. You want to make sure before you do an inventory count, everything's faced up and stocked up, and products are in line, so you don't have multiple products behind each other, so you get wrong counts and have to recount things. So make sure everything's clean and neat, then print this. Go count the products, and then enter the counts here on the right hand side of how much you had of each one. And then once you enter all the counts, just click Save, and that'll print an inventory report, and that should let you know if there was any discrepancies. Obviously we want the discrepancies to be minimal. Most should be offsetting. Sometimes if we get teacher duos, we've seen it where the UPC that scans is different than the UPC that was checked in. So if it's offsetting for like-kind products or like-kind costs, that's not a huge issue. We still want to get those corrected so our inventory is accurate. But what we're looking for is shortages, if there's stuff missing or things like that. We can check our receiving reports to see where that happened. But really important to make sure our inventory is accurate, to make sure that our purchase orders are correct and that we're getting the stuff that we need. If the computer thinks we have 4 and we have 0, it may not order as many as we need. So that's taking inventory.